Cryptoslo with more crypto gains, and Gains.Farm is the name of the game. All right, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing well. Nice little Bitcoin and Ethereum pump today. Looks like we might be headed to 50K. We shall see. Today I'm talking about Gains.Farm. Gains.Farm is a decentralized leverage trading platform. Let me start first by saying, number one, I normally do not leverage trade. I don't promote leverage trading, Femex, Bimex, all that crap. I don't do it typically. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this to market is I think there is some money to be made. And if you want to trade, that's totally up to you. I might do a little demo trade just to show you how it works. But anyways, what is Gains.Farm? Well, initially this platform launched on Ethereum, and the idea was to make a decentralized leverage trading platform. And as you know, a lot of the CEXs have been removing leverage trading, which leaves the degens with no home. So where do they go? Well, Unimex, if you remember that one a while, was a complete disaster. It just really wasn't plausible to have a decentralized leverage trading platform on ETH because of the fees. It's just too prohibited. You need very large transactions to cover the gas fees. You couldn't close positions fast enough. So what Gains.Farm chose to do was to go with Matic Polygon. So basically you have a decentralized leverage trading, and let me tell you, there's some leverage here, baby. 150. This is insane. And supposedly there were NFTs, but all of those have been minted. Now, if you own an NFT, there's different types of NFTs, and they would give you basically better spreads when you're on the thing, when you're trading leverage. So it's pretty simple. Now, here's the rub. Everything is settled at the moment in Gfarm. Okay, so step one to even be able to make a trade is you have to own Gfarm. Now, from what I asked, I posted in the Telegram, they said there's going to be 100K tokens. So not a lot of tokens. Now, this thing has really started to take off. And, as I always talk with these types of things, you need liquidity and you need a volume. So there's been some pretty insane volume focused around this. They also have basically a liquidity pool where you can farm and provide liquidity. Now, once again, I normally don't do liquidity, but I think this thing, not financial advice, has quite a bit of potential as this gets traction. I went ahead and put 50K in the Gfarm pool. So I am providing liquidity. So basically, you're getting APR liquidity from the trading TVL, which is interesting. Like I said, where's my eye on this? I think this could go, don't quote me on this, I think this could easily go to 1,000 if this just totally takes off. Okay, but anyways, there's a farm there if you want to get in. That's up to you. Let's go back to the trading mechanism. So, back to the trading mechanism. Step one, you have to have Gfarm in order to leverage trade. You set your position size, you set your leverage, you short or long. You can open or close on limit or market, which is nice. And you can have stop losses and profit. Take profit. So, which is dope too. Now, you're like, well, what about flash candles and all this stuff? Well, they are actually integrated with Chainlink. And you're like, well, wait a minute. Why am I placing my position in Gfarm, but I'm trading against the price oracles of different pairs? Well, that's the genius in this. See, if they actually traded in the pair and not the Chainlink Oracle price, this platform would have to have a bunch of liquidity on it. So basically, they get around that by using the price Oracle and their they're using the price oracle, but you're trading Gfarm. Now, when you close your position, you can convert to USD automatically. Now, from what I've heard, the devs also said they are going to have DAI trading as well, and that's like the primary pool here. So let's get to it here. Hold on a second. Let's go ahead and open a position. So Bitcoin looks like it's starting to rally a little bit. So I'm going to open a small position. Now, what I have noticed is sometimes the trade or the approve button doesn't light up, and you have to hit refresh and refresh to basically get a trade going. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this. Let's do 0.1. Make sure my meta is still live. Okay. And it's, like I said, this is on Polygon Matic. So you need to make sure your RPC is on Matic. Yeah, we're going to go long for Bitcoin. Long. All right. So you could do stop loss, take profit, and then you got your spread. And then I'm going to hit open trade. The gas should be pretty much set up. And then I'm going to confirm that bad boy. All right. Let that go through. Now I'm trading on the 1 minute, and it takes about, I don't know, 5-10 seconds usually on Polygon to confirm. And we'll see what happens. Bitcoin's chopping a little bit. Gonna be interesting to see if we break to 50. All right, now your trade should open up down below. Okay, there it is. So you have to hit Control F5 for this puppy to kick in every once in a while. So there you go. I opened up that position, 20x. I'm up 1.174, 113. So this is real time. Now, keep in mind on a leverage trade, if you go below your thresholds, you will be liquidated. That's how it works. Yeah. So just keep that in mind. Now, to close this position, you simply hit the X, and then it takes profit. So I'm popping here 2.49. So I traded at 20x, so my 0.1 is actually like 2 Gfarm. So it's pretty solid. I started at 2.39, and I got 229, so I got 0.1 in the trade. And it's going, baby, it's going, getting those gains. Now, this is like spinning a wheel, because when you're basically, the only way you can trade this is to trade on the 1 minute chart. So the action is pretty fast. It's pretty fast. So we had higher highs, higher lows. You would think it would keep going. Solid. No. So if I wanted to take that profit, I could just take the profit, close it out. And I close it out. 45,954. I had some gains there for a while. Oh no, I lost a bazillionth of a coin. So I actually ended up just breaking even on that 239. Yeah, 238, 239. So that is that. But anyways, that is the leverage trading side of it. And there it goes. I shouldn't have closed my position. I got faked out. No. So yeah. So anyways, like I said, I'm providing liquidity. This price. Now, keep in mind, the cool part about this is that everybody is using Gfarm. Therefore, you have a lot of volume. You have a lot of people coming on board, and it continues to push the price of Gfarm. So, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if this puppy pumps out to 1,000 or so. Like, I mean, you can't predict it, but I think as people come over to this side and they start using the platform and they see how slick it is, it's definitely going to be interesting. So check out Gains.Farm if you want to try to get some gains. I'll leave a link to the website and the Telegram. And as always, like, subscribe. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.